All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property, home tour. I know it's been a while, I do apologize. Now, if this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chuck, it's Crucible with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm out here in the city of Henderson, beautiful master plan community of Lake Las Vegas. And the name of this neighborhood is called Enchanto Lago. Now we're going to be touring this lovely model by Toll Brothers. Now there's a total of 3 models to choose from, but today we're going to be exploring this model right here. Matter of fact, I want to go down this side real quick and see what's going on. Love the pavers. This is actually the sales office here. Let's just walk it down this way for a second. All right. This is the Barona model. Now this one, you have an option for a 3 to 4 bedroom, 3 to 4.5 bath as well. Exterior is very modern, beautiful. Now they have 3 different elevations. As you can see, this is the mid-century. Now the mid-century is going to be the most expensive elevation to choose, which starts off at $949,995. If you did the modern, that would be at $934,995, and then the contemporary will be $944,995. So this is the Casita. Wow, they did such a great job. One thing about Toll Brothers, their in-house design is awesome. Whoever they're contracting. Nice high ceilings. On this one, they got orange peel texture. All the windows are going to be all quality windows. These are going to be the Anderson windows. These ones are actually vinyl, but some of the slides in the windows will be aluminum. Wow, they got the 2-inch casings on an 8-foot door here. Solid door. This is definitely good for a guest. Oh, I love the hardwood floors on this one. The tongue and groove. This is like an 8-inch baseboard. Look at that chandelier. So in this one, it looks like we have our air filter here. That's going to be a little bit difficult to change. Coming to the 3/4 bath. Full overlay cabinets. These are going to be soft closing cabinets here with the dovetails. Looks like we got Kohler. One thing I've noticed is 0 threshold on here, which is really nice. Smooth transition. Definitely do like this property already. Look at, we got another thermostat here. So I wonder if this one has its own unit. So let's take a look. Typically on the Casita, you want to make sure you have your own unit where it's not controlled from the main house. I'm pretty sure it does. It's probably on the other side. So we've got 2 units there, so... Ow! Oh, guys, hold on. Hold on. Oh, I just hit my knee. Jeez. Ow. Ow. Ooh. Give me a second, guys. I literally just banged my knee. All right, we're back. So this one has a slider. This is a 9-foot slide. This is an option. So typically in this area right here would just be pavers. Very heavy on the stucco. I'm sure the pivot door is an option here. Some of these lots are premium lots. I've seen some lots about $400,000. Beautiful design, for sure. Let's go take a look over here and see what we got. So this looks like an option bedroom. I don't even know if they even offer those beams. I like how they built out this casing right here and added the LED lights. Definitely did a really beautiful job. But yeah, if you turn this into a room, I feel like this would be a little bit small for a room. And going back to that Casita, I feel like that Casita, because how high that subfloor, they're probably running the AC unit through the rafters, so it doesn't have its own unit. I definitely feel like you need this slide. Again, 0 threshold here. Tub is a little bit smaller, it feels a little bit low. This is a fiberglass tub. They definitely cased the whole thing here with that soap box. Upgraded on the toilet. This is a little bit unique. Surprisingly, on this one, they don't have a transfer duct. This is just a transfer grill here. I like how tall the ceilings are. I feel like they're 12-foot ceilings. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well. All right, so we got another thermostat here. Laundry room off to the right. These are all going to be 12 by 24 on the tile. I mean, everything that you see here, guys, is pretty much going to be an upgrade, but they did a really good job as far as the design aspect. That's one thing about Toll Brothers for sure. Here you're going to have to upgrade the toilet, the cabinet. Doesn't come with the wallpaper or that mirror. This will be the 2-car. I believe there's a total of 3 cars, like a tandem. Alarm system right here. Our air filter will be right here. Then you have the full built out for the valet, which is pretty nice. This is probably going to be our smart panel box. Looks like this is locked, so we can't get in there. But man, look at that, those beams. Let's take a look at this primary. Oh, look at that storefront. Love this window though. Must be a hassle to clean, but I mean, this thing's just gorgeous. I definitely would do the electronic shades here as well. We're gonna go outside for a little bit. It might be a little chilly, but now they do have lots down here, and they're going for about 400,000. But we'll take a look at that in just a minute. So we got another thermostat here. Coming into the bathroom, let's see what we have. A little different with the bathroom. Water closet. Not as big as I would expect it. Coming into the shower, 0 threshold here. Oh, I love how they continued this cladding all the way through the wall. This is actually a good idea here. Too bad they didn't just take off this and just made this glass. So that way it just gives you the appearance of making it look a lot bigger. You got the floating cabinets as well with the LED lights. You've got the distribute sounds. All right, let's go look at the kitchen. I mean, the kitchen is totally decked out. I love this island though. This is literally one solid piece, which is crazy. And then you have the book match. These are going to be the gen. Gorgeous island. Attention to detail in here is fascinating. Now, I love shooting homes like this because it's all different type of designs. You start like picking up like certain techniques when you like remodel your home. Like this is a full counter depth refrigerator. Look how sick that is. .42 upper cabinets, and we got an 18. We finished it off with, I think, a 4-inch crown. I mean, just look how elegant it looks with these LED strips. I mean, these are going to be soft closing cabinets. You have the options for the pull outs as well. These are going to be the Urban Effects for the cabinets, which, is, believe it or not, is my favorite brand. All right, pantry's a little bit small for me. Now, there's definitely some pros and cons to this home for sure. The thing about this is that it's not as large, right? Because this is only a 2,500 square foot home here. Let's go outside, see what we got going on outside. Look at this view. So you're going to be into this roughly, and you're not going to have all the upgrades. The backyard's not going to be done. You'll probably be into about 1.5. Oh, let's go see what kind of units they got here. So, structural design, people are spending about, this is a good brand right here, Carrier. So the consumers right now are spending probably about 150 with these structural options. The design is about 160, 170. Now they haven't closed a property just yet. They have sold a lot where they're going through the construction process. It's going to take about 10 months. Man, I definitely would want to get like a lot that is more open to the water. One thing you need to check out is if you can actually build out a dock. That'd be pretty cool. Gorgeous though, right? Oh, I like that siding right there. Let's go upstairs. The upper deck. Let's see what this is about. Oh, there's another room up here. Look at that view. So I guess this would be like more like your gym because you don't really have an access point to the house. So you would literally have to go through the house, through the backyard, And they come up here and they come through the slides. But what a fantastic view. I mean, take a look at this for just a second. A couple things I do want to point out. There's a total of 62 lots. Looks like your average lot size is going to be roughly about 7,500 square feet. They do have some larger lots that are about like 10,000 square feet, 12,000. So it looks like there's a few that have been sold. I definitely would want to be more elevated. I don't know, let me know. Would you guys want to be elevated just like this? That way you have a view, or do you want to be on the shoreline? Like, let me know. It's definitely a hard one. Now, like I mentioned, the build time is 10 months. Your HOAs here for the master is 153. Then you have the community HOAs 194. Brings you a total of $347. Now they do have a balance as far as like SIDS and lids and stuff like that, or the lids. It's roughly about $30,000. Now you'll make a biannual payment of $1,100 until that's paid off. Now, if you guys are interested, the earnest money deposit would be 5% of the base price. Then they're going to want 20% of the lot premium and another 20% of the structural. So that way when you go to contract, they're going to collect all that money. Now, any options that you purchase at the design studio, once you go over 35% of the base price, then they're going to want 100% of the deposit. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you can see yourself living here. Now, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed. If you are considering moving to Las Vegas, we have a lot of free products. We have the relocation guide. Now, the relocation guide talks about neighborhoods, surrounding areas, and school zones, hospitals. Now, once you subscribe to this, what's included is the Power Pack. What is the Power Pack? The Power Pack also includes the current housing market for the month. This talks about single-family residents, condos, and townhomes. And also we have the economic study of what's going on within Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas. Now, if you're just a first-time home buyer, you just don't really understand the process, we have the free buyer's guide. This will literally walk you and prepare you for your first purchase. Now, if you are planning on financing, you got to get the mortgage hacks. The mortgage hacks is inside secrets on how to save thousands of dollars of the life of your loan. This also talks about all the type of loan programs, state programs that are available to you as a buyer. Now, if you're also planning on buying a brand new home, but you're not too sure which builder is a better builder, it really comes down to materials and supplies. So this is a comprehensive book that explains everything. 32 questions that you need to ask the builder before you actually buy a home. In addition to that, we also have an educational video that we explain how to actually buy a home. It's actually called the Masterclass Vote, and it's free. It's only about 30 to 40 minutes long, but it's something that is worth looking into. We also have the mortgage calculator. So if you are getting a loan and you want to know what your payments are, mortgage calculator, it breaks it all down. It tells you exactly what your payment's going to be. So again, that is free. In addition to that, if you are considering buying or even selling a home, we are offering you a consultation. So it doesn't matter if you're out of state, because we can do a video chat live. We get to know each other. We explain everything, how it all works to prepare you to buy a home out here in Las Vegas. So just make sure to visit simplyvegashomes.com, or if you want to set up an appointment, give us a call today. Now, if you want to just view more video home tours, just go ahead and click on that link right there. We have over 1,000 video home tours. Other than that, peace.